Fedora Silverblue versus Bluefin. Choosing the right immutable Linux distro can transform your system's stability and security without the usual update headaches. Both offer unique approaches to immutability and container-based workflows. Fedora Silverblue and Bluefin are immutable Linux distributions designed for stability and security. The core difference lies in their architecture and tooling. Silverblue focuses on OS tree snapshots and containerized apps, while Bluefin emphasizes a streamlined, minimal base with its own container management. Fedora Silverblue is an immutable desktop operating system built on Fedora Linux, using OS tree technology to deliver atomic updates. It works by layering a read-only base system with user data and applications managed separately, primarily through Flatpak containers. This design ensures system consistency and easy rollback in case of issues. Updates are applied as complete system images, reducing risks of partial upgrades or broken dependencies. Strengths include robust stability, seamless atomic upgrades, and strong integration with containerized applications, making it ideal for developers and users prioritizing reliability and security. However, Silverblue's reliance on Flatpak and container workflows can pose a learning curve for traditional Linux users. It's best suited for those who want a modern, immutable system with minimal maintenance and a focus on container-first app management. Bluefin is an immutable Linux distro designed around a minimal, secure base system paired with container-focused tooling. It utilizes a read-only root file system combined with containerized environments for applications and development workflows. Bluefin emphasizes simplicity and performance by stripping unnecessary components and offering a streamlined user experience. Its container management is tailored for flexibility, supporting various container runtimes and orchestration tools out of the box. The strengths of Bluefin include a lightweight footprint, strong security posture due to immutability, and adaptability for both desktop and server use cases. Limitations may include a smaller community and less extensive documentation compared to more established projects like Fedora Silverblue. Bluefin suits users who prefer a minimal, customizable, immutable OS and have experience with container ecosystems, seeking a secure platform without extra desktop features. Fedora Silverblue and Bluefin both deliver immutability but target different user needs. Silverblue offers a polished desktop experience with OS tree snapshots and Flatpak for app management, ideal for users who want a stable, easy-to-update system with containerized apps. Bluefin provides a minimal base with flexible container runtime support, catering to users who prefer a lightweight, customizable environment with control over container orchestration. Silverblue's strength lies in its robust update and rollback system, while Bluefin excels in performance and simplicity. Trade-offs include Silverblue's steeper learning curve with Flatpak apps versus Bluefin's smaller ecosystem and community. In real-world use, Silverblue fits developers and desktop users seeking reliability, whereas Bluefin appeals to those wanting a leaner system for both desktop and server tasks. Choose Fedora Silverblue if you want a stable, user-friendly, immutable desktop with powerful rollback features and seamless Flatpak integration. Opt for Bluefin if you prefer a minimal, high-performance, immutable system with flexible container management and a lightweight footprint. Both distros excel in security and stability, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize a polished desktop or a customizable, streamlined environment.